The funds donated through the GoFundMe campaign will be transferred to a newly created nonprofit corporation known as the Humboldt Broncos Memorial Fund Incorporated, and it's to be allocated for their intended purpose. An advisory committee is being established to make a recommendation for the allocation of these funds, which will be held in trust until that allocation occurs. Once we formalize the composition of this committee, we will provide you with an update. In order to accommodate these incoming funds, the Humboldt Broncos, together with legal counsel Robertson Stromberg, have launched the Humboldt Strong Community Foundation. The mission of the Humboldt Strong Community Foundation will be to support Humboldt Broncos players, employees, families, and volunteers, as well as first responders and emergency services personnel, teams, athletes, related organizations, and communities affected by the crash. We just want to make sure that as we move forward and deal with this matter, we want to do it in the best possible way we can to ensure that we set out on this path, and it was where we all stand on it. That's right from our hearts, is making sure that our families are looked after. We're going to do everything in our power to do that, and we've got to rely now heavily on legal counsels and others who have reached out to help us with this.